Hello everyone, welcome to my another video. This is Sabbir Mahmud. Now I am going to discuss about circle. There are many circle, different kinds of circle. 10 radius circle, 10 diameter circle, 2 point circle, 3 point circle, 10 radius circle and 10 circle. Now I discuss about first one, center radius circle. First click here and then specify center point for circle. If you keep 5 diameter, then click 5 and enter. This is a 5 radius circle. Now I draw center diameter circle. Click here and specify center point for circle. Diameter gives 3, then enter. This is a 3 diameter circle. Again 2 point circle. Click 2 point circle and then specify first end point. First end point, then specify second end point. This is a 2 point circle. 3 point circle. Specify first point, second point and third point. This is a 3 point circle. Now I discuss about 10 radius circle. Click 10 radius circle, then click here and then click here. This is a 10 radius circle. Now I discuss about last one, 10 circle. Specify first point, specify second point, specify third point. This is a 10 circle. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much for watching video.